Tapos lang ano, gentle with this.
Wait lang.
Yeah.
Kasi wala lang.
Huwag kang
Huwag kang nang magalit, di ako marunong. Ako sana'y pakinggan, yeah.
Wala ay!
Di ko balak ang ika'y saktan. Hindi ako ang may... hindi ko ang may problema. Wala akong iba. Di tulad ng iyong hinala.
Sorry.
Hindi na?
Maintindihan.
Na mahal
Hindi ko malaman. Ano ba ang dahilan ng pansamantalang paghingi ko ng kalayaan? Minamahal kita. Pero kailangan ko lamang mag-isa. Huwag mong isipin na hindi ka na mahal. Sarili ko'y hahanapin ko lang. At ang panahon at ang oras ng ating pagkawala ay para rin sa ating dalawa. Ang Thursday fire starting in my heart, reaching a fever pitch and bringing out the dark. Finally, I can see you crystal clear. Go ahead and tell me, and I'll lay your sheep bare. See how I live in every piece of me. Don't underestimate the things that I will do. There's a fire starting in my heart, reaching my favorite visions, bringing me out the dark. We almost have it all. We couldn't have it all. In the deep, you had my heart inside. Playing it to the beat, baby. I have no story to be told.
Okay, change song.
Di na tayo pabata.
Yeah.
Ang gusto ko,
Wait.
ang gusto natin lahat. Sana sabihin sa iyo. Pero paano?
No.
Paano? Pag wawala biglang sasabihin
Nakikita
ay ang
mukha niya.
paano? Siguro'y umiibig kahit di mo pinapansin. Magbabis na lang ako, magbabaka sakaling ikaw ay kahit sa panaginip ikaw lang ang aking hinihiling. Sa bawat ngiti mo sa panaginip ko, parang ayoko nang magising.
Hindi kayo sa babae.
Ayaw mo! Ayoko sana!
Magmukhang
Tanga sa'yo! Pilito!
Magsasabihin ng
Buhon, hindi ako
na lang sa'yo.
ba naman nagkalagi ng ganito?
nakikita ko lang
Kayang mukha niya
sa paligid mo.
ay naglalaho.
Siguro'y umiibig kahit di mo pinapansin. Babakas na lang ako, nagbabakas sakaling kang mapatingin kahit sa panaginip ikaw lang ang aking hinihiling. Sa bawat ngiti mo sa panaginip truth comes second, just try for a minute and smile. Why is everybody so serious? Acting so mysterious. Got a shade on your eyes and a view so high, but you can't even have a good time. Everybody look to the left. Everybody look to the right. Can you feel that? Yeah, we're playing in love tonight. It's not about the money, money, money. We don't need your money, money, money. Just wanna make the world dance. Forget about the price, yeah, the price ain't about just change the chain, ain't about yeah. Bubbling, bubbling, wanna make the world dance. Forget about the price, lahat sa swela. Sama-sama labing dalawa. Sa kalokohan at sa tuksuhan, hindi maawat sa isa't isa. Yeah! Madalas ang standby sa cafeteria, isang barkada na kay saya. Laging may hawak-hawak na gitara, joke lang magkakanta na. Yeah, alright. Kasi lang ng buhay nun, walang bibigat na suliranin. Problema lang natulan na to. Sana nga ba?
Sana nga ba?
Sana nga ba? Sana nga ba? Sana nga bang barkada ngayon? Sana nga ba? Sana nga ba? Sana nga bang barkada ngayon?
May F4 ba dyan?
Oo.
Sino mo sila kasama?
Silang dalawa lang.
Alak po, F4.
Mabilis.
Para sa ano yan? Sa mga mahal niyo sa buhay. Bago kayo magpaalam sa mundo.
Before I let you go, I want to say I love you. I do cherish you, for the rest of my life. You don't have to think twice. I will love you still, for the rest of my soul. It's beyond my control. I'll say this to you. You're asking, baby, you're my destiny. You and I were meant to be. With all my heart and soul, I'll give my love to heaven. In this promise I can see, you were always meant to be. Bakit sinun ka lang? Bakit ngayon kung kailan ang ating puso'y mayroon ng laman? Sana'y malaman mo.
Nalaman ko.
Darating ka sa buhay ko'y di sana'y maghintay ako. Ikaw sana, ang aking yakap. Ang iyong kamay lang ay laging hawak. Ikaw ba? Loving you in spite of all the things that I felt cheated and again. God give me you to show me what's real life. Just how I feel. Mabuti pa sa loto, may pag-asa manalo. Di tulad sa'yo, hindi mo kasili. Conservative. Prinsesa ka, ako'y dukha. Sa TV lang naman kasi may mangyayari kahit mahal kita. Wala akong magagawa. Tanggap ko aking sinta. Pangarap lang kita. Sinang mo.
You're insecure.
Don't know what for. You're turning heads when you walk through the door. Make up to cover up. Bon naman nun.
So,
Get up. You and I could be like sunny shell, honey. Honey. Ooh.
bata niya.
Aba naman, 10 minutes.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Yeah.
Bye-bye.
Oh, holy night, the stars so brightly shining. It is
Naririnig. Ano?
naririnig mo ba ang
Kay lamig ng hangin. Ayun pala eh.
nadarama mo ba? Aring
May
pinagsama ginawang tamborin.
Ang
Mga parol ng bawat tahalay.
ang mukha ng
Sila
saya.
himig ng
Pasko
Pasko. Nadarama ko na may tatalo pa ba sa Pasko sa Pinas? Yeah.
Uy, ang dami lang.
Oy, talaga.
If I could fall
To the sky. Do you think time will pass
me by, 'cause you
No,
know
I will get 1,000 miles if I could.
never mind I found
someone like you.
I wish nothing
but the best for you. Don't forget me. I'll be there. I'll remember you say.
sometimes it lasts in love and sometimes it hurts instead.
You can be the peanut. Oh, dahil. Delete yung mga contacts ko.
Oh. Hey?
That's what friends are for.
On the way home, hindi ko na alam to kung sino.
That my love will coming
Sino
true.
pero sa CP?
Thanks to you. When you need friends
That
you can depend. You can count on me because you're my best friend. When you're feeling down and your heart is hurt, you can call on me.
I just met you, but this is just not me. Now here's
And
my
we
number,
are-
so call me.
So load me. Natang balak.
Yung mataas.
Sisipon ka.
Listen,
The song in my heart,
a melody after, but can't complete. All the time has come for my dreams to be heard. Then into your arms, oh, 'cause you won't listen.
Listen! I am alone at the crossroad. I am my own road. And I can't lie. What's going on? You should have known. Oh, now I'm bound to live in you. You don't know what I've been. I'm more than what you made to me. I found you view this on YouTube.
Oh,
Please
follow us.
Follow
Subscribe.
us. Bettina_1530.
Angelica_
Twitter.
lovers 143.
Sorry, I don't have Twitter, but I have Facebook. So you can add me
Our
Monica Dantes
We will
at
give you our last
yahoo.com.
song.
Her last song. Because
Thank you, fans!
today is her birthday and she needs to,
You know,
you know, their,
you know,
her visitors.
her boyfriends.
Tagalog.
Okay, fuck you.
Parang di ko na.
Parang dadalhin kita sa aking palasyo. Dadalhin hanggang langit.
Ayun na po yung
panibago. Ang lahat ng ito'y pinangako mo. Dadalhin lang pala ng hangin ang pangarap kong umiiyak ang puso.
Watch us on Mix.
Yeah. ABS-CBN and Jemmy, nandito lang kami. We're still waiting for our...
Alam naman daw, maguunahan kayo sa pagkuha sa atin.
Mga commercial. Mga commercials
Sa sobrang
na matinding pangangailangan lang po kaya nagawa. Pasensya na.
Uy, ilalagay niyo sa YouTube yan?
Oo.
Oo.
Nalagay yan.
12:51.
Come on.
12:52. 12:53.
It's already 16.
12:54.
55.
12:55. Ay, hindi.
Uy, ang naba na niyan. Diyos ko.
Ay, ano pa? Ano? Atin na.
See each other again.
Of everything, yeah. Maybe miles away. Until with you.
I know I pray so much too much.
How could you send back the only man she
Hi,
loved?
Jessica Sanchez, I'm your #1 fan. Can you please...
Oh, thank you, Beth. I'm Jessica Sanchez.
Hindi ko pa maganda.
Ay, kanta ako ni
Hi,
Jessica.
Phil Phillips, you're my...
You're my ex-boyfriend. Oy, joke.
We were joining X Factor Philippines later.
You gotta see each other. So, say goodbye.
Say goodbye.
Goodbye.
Sorry and thank you.
Bye-bye. Peace.
Rock and roll.
Oh.
Rockers to the rockers.